Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all a water wave unit from Vshow hair. Now this unit is not just the typical water wave. This unit actually has bangs. So I was a little bit skeptical at first because honestly bangs in my forehead don't always look right. But this unit was actually super cute, so I cannot wait to show you guys. Of course, this is the unit here. Like I said, we are doing water wave, 20 inches, and I think I did 180% density. I can't remember. But anyway, this is the unit, and the curl pattern was so beautiful. Like I had no issues whatsoever. And because this unit has bangs, it is so easy to put on. Like honestly, the easiest wig I have put on, easier than a V part or U part wig, because there's really nothing to do but put your hair up under the actual wig. So what I did was I just had a little bun in the back at the very bottom of my head, like you guys just saw. Then I just put this wig on. So like I said, I was a little bit skeptical at first, just because, you know, like curly bangs, I was a little bit like kind of iffy on it. But I have to say, I really enjoyed it. And it's definitely an easy beginner-friendly wig, or just a throw-on type of wig. This wig takes no time. So if you guys are interested, please check out my description box below. I would definitely recommend this one. I have no issues at all. Vshow, I've worked with them before as well. Never had an issue. So definitely feel comfortable recommending them to you guys. This texture, I just want to reiterate, was very nice. Like combing it out, brushing it out, it just felt so good. I didn't have any shedding or tangling. And then here I'm just adding some water, and I have some conditioner in that water as well. But this hair was so nice, and the bangs made it easier to just throw on and go. So again, guys, go ahead and check out my description box if you're interested, or if you want to just check out their website. I do have a coupon code as well. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.
talking to you. If you have a shorty but you don't show love, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. Wanna get with me?